Hey Miles, I spoke with you earlier today on the phone about your website. My name is Lee Terbianic and I was doing some research and I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out the competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take these tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is basically anything that you could see in writing on your screen right now, plus what the pictures are and what they're saved as is considered content too. And Google likes to typically see around 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on a homepage. And as you can see, you have maybe 150 words on your homepage at the moment. So I did a quick search for Plumber Las Vegas, Nevada, and Larkin Plumbing Services is coming in first. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. As you can see, he has some content here, some there. Not much though, maybe 200 words max. So if you were to go get 1,500 words of keyword-rich content for your homepage, you'd easily beat him out in that aspect. And when I say keywords, we'll get into that shortly. So I'm going to break down Google for you. As you can see, I type Plumber Las Vegas, Nevada, and up here is Google Ads. And these companies are all paying big money to be up here. And honestly, I feel like it's a money pit if you're not running them effectively. And if you're ranking in these other 2 sections that I'm really going to dig into with you, you don't need to be wasting that money on the cost per clicks. So let's talk about this middle map pack or GMB listing. Now, as you can see, D&S Plumbing is in first, and the way you rank in this section is a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have this tool I use called Whitespark CA, and it's a local citation finder. And as you can see, D&S Plumbing, I plugged his info in here, and it's telling me he has 58 citations. Very beatable. Best part about this tool is we can go into his citations and see where he's getting them all and submit for your business. Each and every one of these is submittable, and the list goes down. We know it's working for him, it'll work for you. And just like I was saying earlier, that these aren't created equal. So these DA is how strong they are. So 100 being the strongest, 0 being the weakest. So we want to get these strong, authoritative citation sources for yours. And then I'd like to go add maybe 80, 100, 200 to your business listing. Beat these guys out by a landslide. You're going to see a drastic change in traffic because this is where a lot of clicks come from. And also, that's getting your name out there in more directories for people to find you when they're looking for your service. So that's a citation. Third thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks. Now, a backlink is what ranks you in this organic section. And a backlink is when one website links to another website via a hyperlink. And I'm sure you've seen them before on a website, little blue text you click on and it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website giving the other website a backlink, and Google loves them and considers them votes, because if one website is willing to send its traffic to that other website, it must be trustworthy and you're vouching for that other website basically. But they're not created equal. You want relative backlinks linking back to your website rather than, say, Pizza Hut linking to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, you're a plumber. So I'm going to show you an overview of your website. Now, as you can see, I use this tool called Ahrefs, which I pay for monthly, and I plugged in dsplumbing.com, and this shows me a basic overview of the stats. So as you can see, you're not really pulling any scores because you don't really have much done to your website at the moment and don't really have much content. But you have one website giving you one backlink, and you're ranking for 7 keywords at the moment. So let's look at your competition, the guy who is in first. He has a UR and a DR of 27 and 2, which is very beatable. Now, he has 218 websites giving him 994 backlinks, but the only ones that are transferring any power are these do follow links, and that's 101. But the best part about this, just like the citations, here's the whole list to be submitted out for your business. And we know it's ranking him at the top, so it'll work for you, right? So let's go back because I want to touch base on keywords. So you are ranking for 7, but look at, he has 582 keywords that he's ranking for, and look at the traffic he's bringing in by ranking in the first spot. So let's click on his keywords, and we're going to just touch base on keywords that people are actually typing each and every month into the Google search engine. So as you can see, Las Vegas Plumbing is being typed 600 times That's 600 people looking for Las Vegas plumbing each and every month. This is a monthly volume. Plumbers, Las Vegas, Nevada, 300 searches a month. Plumber, Las Vegas, 600 searches a month. Plumbing, Las Vegas, 1,100 searches a month. Plumbers, Las Vegas, 1,500. Plumbing repair, Las Vegas, 200 searches. That's 200 people typing plumbing repair, Las Vegas, looking for plumbing repair every month, and you're missing out by not being in the #1. Look at how much traffic he's getting from these keywords by having them in his content. That's why it's so important to have 1,500 words in your homepage, because you could fit 15 of these throughout the content, one per every 100 words. So when someone types this exact phrase, if it's in your content, Google links it to you. So that's why it's important. So let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing was your front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content so you can fit those keywords throughout it. Start pulling some traffic. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. I say add 100, 200 to your listing. Beat out these guys by a landslide and get your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Miles, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line, let me know you watched the video. And I'm here for any questions that you have afterwards. Thanks, man.